guys, it's your boy VA Clan Mods, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to fix the Rgh E79. If you think all hope is lost, it is not. Guys, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Actually, I'm not going to show you, I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so if you guys are getting, hold on, trying to see if I can't find a picture for you guys. Alright, I just clicked this one. For instance, if you're getting this image on your console, but except E74, it says E79. If you guys want to fix this, I can fix it. It is nothing to do. Just message me on Skype. Here, I will show you. Well, all you gotta do to add me on Skype is just, just like this. Alright, so all you gotta do is go to Skype, and when you search for people, just type in my email. And you guys will see 2 accounts, but you only want, only want to add the one that says VA mods fail V2. You only want to add this one, and when it gets to me, I will help you guys fix it. So yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe if I helped, and let other people know that I am legit. So yeah, this is VA Mods, and I am signing out.